work. Uh-oh. What'd you do wrong? Oh. So maybe your points aren't, is it possible that your...
Does it have to touch the positive charge for this?
No, just the positive side of the battery. So do you see when you touch the green LED, it lit up? Close your battery and then touch your green LED. All right, so there's something wrong with the way it's attached to the, so you're getting part of the circuit.
In a parallel circuit, the electricity leaves the battery from the positive side, moves through the circuit. It comes to here and has to make a decision. So the electricity actually will split and half will go in both directions. When you attach your LEDs, notice that the leads have different lengths. The longer length is the positive lead, and it has to be closer to the positive side of the battery. The electricity will then move through here, it'll come back together, and then return to the battery, completing your circuit, assuming your batteries are touching.